Hey guys, it's Corey from Redefining Strength, and I want to talk about how you can improve your hamstring flexibility right now. Grab a lacrosse or tennis ball and get ready to spend a couple of minutes foam rolling two specific areas, your hamstrings and your feet. Now you may not be surprised to hear that foam rolling your hamstrings will improve your hamstring flexibility, but how can rolling out your feet help? First, it's key we understand that the point of foam rolling or trigger point release is to apply and sustain pressure to a trigger point and help that muscle relax or release itself through autogenic inhibition. Basically, you're applying pressure that causes the Golgi tendon organ to turn off muscle spindle activity, allowing the muscle fibers to unknot, stretch, and realign. Trigger points can also restrict or alter joint range of motion, which can result in a change of neural feedback to the central nervous system. So when you foam roll your hamstrings, you're helping to relax that feeling of tightness if your hamstrings are actually shortened, and even inhibit that neural feedback if your hamstrings are tight from being overworked. By sitting on a ball up on a box or chair, you can roll out the entire length of your hamstring, holding the ball and even bending and extending your leg at the knee to contract and stretch the hamstring as you hold on any tight spots. Work from the hamstring origin under your glute down to your knee. While you can use a foam roll on the ground, this won't apply as much pressure. Now what about foam rolling your feet? How can rolling out your feet impact your hamstring flexibility? The simple answer is, it's all connected. Through the superficial backlines, the muscles all down your backside can have an impact on the functioning of each other, and a lack of ankle mobility may then lead to hamstring tightness. Because of the connection between your feet and your hamstrings through the superficial backlines, there have been some studies on whether or not foam rolling of other areas further away from the source of tightness can have an impact. Both found that by foam rolling your feet, you can actually improve your hamstring flexibility. And while both studies are quite small, these findings are very interesting, especially if you've ever had foot or ankle issues and now have tight hamstrings. If you've ever had foot or ankle issues and now have tight hamstrings, place the ball on the ground and press down into the ball as you hold. You can use the ball all along the length of the sole of your foot. You can even flex and extend your toes as you hold. You want to be standing so you can press down into the ball and apply as much pressure as you can handle to help relax and release the muscles. To improve your hamstring flexibility instantly, give both of these foam rolling moves a try, holding for 30 to 60 seconds per move per side before you stretch out your hamstrings. And if one hamstring is tighter, try only rolling out that side before you stretch. If you liked the video, make sure to like it, comment below if you have any questions, and subscribe. We're posting new videos each week.